Hey guys, welcome to Cutesy Drawings. Today I'll be drawing a dead body / corpse from Among Us. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper or any other medium of your choice. Also, if you haven't already, please hit that like and subscribe button. Now let's get started. Let's start off by drawing the bone coming out of the body. Draw a line down here and curve it in slightly at the bottom. Continue the line to the right. Finish off the other side with a curved line. You should now have a U shape. Now let's draw the other side of the bone. Above the left line we drew, draw a C-shaped line and attach it back here. From the top of the line we just drew, draw a diagonal line up. Curve it to the right, back down, and then connect it. Next, let's draw the cut open body. From the top left here, draw a circular shape and connect it to the other side of the bone. Draw another circular shape starting from the outer corner of the bone here. Finish off the circle by drawing a small line between the two heads of the bone. Now the legs. From the top right of the body, draw a curved line up and back down, connecting it to the side of the body. For the other leg, start at the top left, come up and curve it towards the other leg and back down. And that's it for this Among Us dead body. Super easy, right? Now let's color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.